Hello folks, this is one more video about replacing a cracked dash on a 2001 Dodge pickup. I ordered a new dash from LMC Truck. When the new dash came in, I inspected it. It is made out of very, very good material. I am very well pleased with the new dash and the price I paid. There is one problem I have found that has not been addressed on YouTube, or at least I cannot find where it has been addressed. When your truck is assembled at the factory, the factory dash is connected to the side of your heat and air vent with 7mm screws, therefore anchoring the heat and air vent to the underside of your factory dash. When you take your cracked factory dash off, you do not have a way to connect these vents to your new replacement dash. Therefore, when you get your new replacement dash in place, you will find that since they are not connected, you will have a rattle. My solution to this problem is to simply take a piece of rubber, thin rubber, old inner tube. I cut mine about 2 3/4 by 3 inches wide, 5 inches long, and I am prepared to put it back in behind the vent to stop the rattle. I prefer to actually put a type of contact cement or some kind of bonding agent to keep it in place. Here's the difference that you hear. That is before installing the rubber. No noise. I am ready to install the rubber on the other 3 vents and then put my new dash in place. If you'd like to look for part 2 of this video after the dash is completed, feel free. Thank you very much for your time and good luck on replacing your dash.